Effectively exporting goods can bring significant benefits to a nation, enhancing its economic stability and fostering growth. When a country successfully exports its products, it can increase its revenue and improve its balance of trade, contributing to a stronger national economy. This influx of capital can lead to investments in infrastructure, education, and technology, further boosting productivity and innovation. Exports also create jobs, as increased production to meet foreign demand requires a larger workforce. This can lead to higher wages and improved living standards for workers in export-oriented industries. Additionally, as companies expand to capture international markets, they may invest in research and development to enhance their products, which can lead to technological advancements. Moreover, exporting can help diversify a nation's economy, reducing reliance on domestic markets and mitigating risks associated with economic downturns. Engaging with global markets exposes local businesses to new ideas and practices, encouraging competitiveness and efficiency. A strong export sector can also enhance a nation's geopolitical influence, as economic partnerships often translate into diplomatic relationships. Overall, effectively exporting goods can transform a nation's economic landscape, leading to sustainable growth and prosperity while fostering connections with global markets. By prioritizing export strategies, countries can unlock new opportunities and ensure long-term economic resilience.